Introducing Unlimitedville, combining the power of cellular technology, similar to a cell phone, with the power of a home Wi-Fi router. Our solution provides a high-speed internet connection to all of your home devices without any fiber optic or coax cables. With a setup that takes only seconds, your home network will transform from a slow, unstable satellite or DSL connection to a blazing fast, low-latency home network for all of your connected devices. Best of all, you never have to worry about limited data plans, overages, or throttling of speeds. After placing the order on Unlimitedville.com, our team will pre-configure and test your device prior to shipping. When your device arrives at your home or business, simply open the box. Review the included insert cards. Pull out the device, antennas and power supply. Screw on the antennas marked LTE to the screw ports also marked LTE on the device. Then screw on the antennas marked Wi-Fi to the screw ports also marked Wi-Fi on the device. Finally, find a location near a window or exterior wall and connect the device to the included power supply. And that's it. The device will now automatically connect to a cell tower nearby. It will then broadcast that internet connection via Wi-Fi to all of your home devices. From checking emails, to video conferencing, to watching streaming TV in 4K resolution, to playing competitive online video games, your home will truly be changed with Unlimitedville.